Yeah, it's wonderful. Our first season was really heavily disrupted by having to base ourselves in Australia, play our games in Australia, often in front of very poor crowds. We incurred very significant expenses in doing that, and a whole range of unintended consequences. But I think we demonstrated through our 2 games we brought back to Fiji the potential and the love that Fijians have for this team already. So we're really looking forward to playing many more games here now. We've got a series of matches that are locked in for this coming season. We're not announcing where and on which dates at this point in time, but we've got matches at home against the Crusaders, the Blues, the Rebels, the Hurricanes, Moana, Pacifica and the Reds. Some of those teams, as an example, the Crusaders, the fans and sponsors are so excited that they're wanting to get on board with travel packages already, buy corporate hospitality packages, bring their sponsors and their customers up here to watch. As I think the AG said earlier on, it's a huge attraction to visitors to bring people to this country. We, as one CEO said to me, we've put super back into Super Rugby. It was a wonderful occasion at the Chiefs as well as the Highlanders games. Just shows what we can do, what we will do next year.